Hello, in this video I shall be discussing or giving the analysis of a topic. The topic is need for learning the reflections of the pandemic on life. So as we have started a new year, I would like to give an analysis of the reflections that this pandemic brought into our thinking and into our philosophy of life. So we shall see some topics related to this, that is we have adopted to a kind of culture called universal COVID-19 culture. So this is a universal culture everywhere now presently in the world. That is, all of them are masked lives. So we are totally under masks, and we have got this restricted living lifestyle. So where we are not able to move as freely as we used to be earlier, and we are totally isolated and in fear of getting this COVID-19 disease. We are going for isolations in our own houses, and we are distancing from everyone we see, and we are working from homes, so we are not able to go to our offices and have interactions with our colleagues and friends, but we are now working from our homes, and we are also facing little uncertainties about our future. So how long these lockdowns would go, how long this disease would be in existence without any vaccine or like that. Then we also have seen so many challenges, whether it be challenges of health, losing family members, or challenges in view of economy of our families. And so there are so many challenges that we faced. So all of this has become a universal COVID-19 culture in the whole of 2020. So this culture made us realize to reflect on life. So some major reflections that we used to think, or some major lessons that we recently learned from the pandemic, or we need to be maintaining equanimity and balance in our life. We need to be calm and composed in our life, and we also learned to be balanced. So earlier, for whatever reasons, we used to be so much temperamental. Now we are maintaining balance also, and now we are thinking about the purpose of life. Is this purpose of life just to live and educate ourselves and earn a job and earn money? Is this to that extent, or are there good things like happiness, and is there a meaning, some other good meaning to life? And all of this philosophy we got into our lifestyle and thinking. So these are the major reflections we got in 2020. Apart from the commercial way of lifestyle or selfish kind of lifestyle we had since our birth till 2020. So I would like to say or reiterate on these reflections, so that this year would be a little encouraging tone to start this year in a good encouraging tone. So with this I want to say that there are some quotations about philosophy which will help us to deal with these things. One such philosophy version by Plato, he is a Greek philosopher. He says that philosophy is a process of constant questioning that takes the form of a dialogue. So whatever questioning we'll have in our mind, when it takes the form of a dialogue, or when it is substantiated in a written or dialogue form, it is philosophy. It is the subject of philosophy. So 2020 is a big year for our questioning. So we had so many questions of the purpose of life, meaning of life, and how vulnerable we are with a small virus. So all of these questions we got. So I thought to tell about this particular quotation. So some of the questions we faced are: what is that way we are particularly living, and how we ought to live? So are we living in the way we ought to live? So this is one thing we need to think. And also we need to revisit the meaning of life. So how we are spending our life. So what is the main important things in life that we need to think about? Or are we wasting our life in for all unnecessary things? So that is about revisiting our lifestyle and living, and redefining the meaning. If our lifestyle and living is not in a correct way, if it is going to end tomorrow with the virus, and how much we have done in this life. So that is what we need to think and redefine our lifestyle and bring changes to our lifestyle in that view. And we also need to think what this pandemic has taught us. Every difficult situation will teach us some lessons. So what lessons we can learn from 2020 as we start a new year of 2021? So what lessons we all learned? So all of these questionnaire will help us to have a better living in this new year. So this is according to the philosophy by Plato. And the next person I want to quote is Seneca. So Seneca is a Roman philosopher, and he is a good pioneer of Stoic philosophy, and he wrote a book called Moral Letters. So in this Moral Letters, he quoted about philosophy, that is, philosophy offers counsel. It strengthens one's ability to remain steady in the chaos and rush of life. So chaos and rush of life is what we exactly saw in 2020. Confusion. Chaos is confusion, and we were in a rush of life. So what would happen? Even in our thoughts, we were in a rush. So philosophy will strengthen our ability to be steady, calm, and composed during these problems. So during these testing times. And philosophy offers counsel. Counsel is about judgment. So we already had got these questions here. We already got these thoughts in 2020. And to what extent can we judge ourselves, and to what extent can be wise to change our lifestyle. So it offers our counsel to our own selves, and it will give us a steadiness during this particular confusion in life. So with this also we learned a lot of things in 2020 related to what Seneca told. So these two philosophies we incorporated in 2020, and this steadiness will give us choices. So when we are steady, we can make choices between sadness and happiness. So when we are facing these testing times, it is all about choice, whether to be staying composed or whether to be feeling about so sad about it, or whether to be happy. And it has also given us what the meaning of happiness is, and these problem times have also made us remain sane. So there are so many suicide cases increasing during COVID-19 time in 2020 like no time ever before. So how well we need to maintain sanity, that is our stable mind, is also what we learned, and staying purposeful in life is also what we thought about in 2020. So with all these positive things that we learned from 2020, apart from this COVID-19 negative thing, we need to move forward in life in 2021 with positivity. So by these quotations, I would like to just give some philosophy that we learned that is related to COVID-19 testing time last year. And the ways to tackle testing times is also one important thing that we need to pursue. So I have given some options that I got. The first one is spiritualism. So we can be connected to God for happiness and for solutions and some peace of mind. In religious books like Bible, there are so many quotations, so many verses about peace of mind, and those verses will also offer some solutions to these testing times and all. So we can get comfort from the spiritualism. And the second thing is we must remove our selfishness and we must promote common good. So far until 2020 we were living our own lives, doing our own jobs, and we are being so selfish, and we need to stop that and pursue common good, because this is a global pandemic and everybody in the globe is now suffering. So during that time when we pursue our common good, we'll have some comfort in testing times, and we must be harmonious with everyone we know, with our neighbors and all. And the best thing that we learned from 2020 is living simple and in moderation. So without going for extreme pomp and joyous things, we need to learn to live moderately and simply, because in every way COVID-19 has shown us how simplicity is important. And the next thing is we must care for those who are facing the same problem, same testing times. And the positivity aspect we need to concentrate is we got good vaccine candidates now out in the market. We have passed the problem time, and the control is also over mortality rates by the government. So now the mortality rate is low, and there are so many national efforts taken all through 2020, and international measures are also taken by some organizations like WHO and all. They have taken international measures, and governments also offer so much of economic help, and humanitarian organizations came forward, and lockdowns saved so many lives. And there were grassroots level monitoring in all the states, districts and villages. So this is so much of positivity by everybody contributing to 2020 testing time. And the final expectation for the coming year is the year from 2020 into 2021 can be a shift from annus horribilis to annus mirabilis. This is year of horribility to year of wonder and miracle. So this is, with this positivity, let us go forward in 2021 with whatever works we are doing, but with a changed, refined philosophy of life. Thank you.